Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you'd replace your front fog light, the fog light that's in the bumper. Now you can replace this while the bumper is still attached to the vehicle. At the moment the bumper has been detached, so it just makes it a little bit easier, but it is possible to do it without doing that. Either removing the little fender well piece that goes right here and then you can reach in and replace it, or just be able to undo the portion of the plastic on the bottom that you can reach up. Now you'll squeeze the connector together and pull it out, and the electrical connector, and then you'll get to the light right here, which you'll just need to squeeze these two together and then move it back and forth to get it to come out and be easy, because this plastic here is a tendency to break. But the whole light is this whole element, so when you get a new one it'll have new plastic, so if you break it, it's not the end of the world. We just don't want to break this housing, so you just want to make sure that you move it out to get it out. So this light here is a 12776. So you'd get a new 12776 to be able to replace and install. So you'll see it has one way to go in. We've got two tabs on this side and one tab on this side. The one tab will line up here and then the two down there. So you line those tabs up, then you'll be able to press and install that light until it clicks, and then you would just rehook the electric back up and put on the panel or put the bumper back on if that's the way you went to remove it, to replace your fog light on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.